Jagadeesh agreed to test the effects of his healing at SITTECH Laboratories, a center for biofield energy testing and measurement in Encinitas, California. Dr. Gaétan Chevalier, the research director for SITTECH, used a device called a gas discharge visualization machine to characterize the pattern of bioenergy before, immediately after, and then 1 hour after the healing. The result showed a very visible effect on the biofield, as explained by Dr. Chevalier.
And so you have at the top here you have Ron, which was the person who was worked on, and below we have Jagadeesh, who was used as the healer in this experiment. So we have first the baseline for both of them, and then we have immediately after the session, and then an hour later. And when after the treatment, it's like the energy field exploded. Almost, it feels like there's so many more gaps, and in that it was a bit surprising because normally, I mean, this we've seen that in the past, but this is all over the place. It's like one of the most extreme ones I've ever seen, and and people would say, "Wow, the healing didn't work." Even the healer, you know, Jagadeesh said, "Maybe I should retire." I said, "No, this is excellent because the GDV, you know, we've seen that before, and we've seen healers who are like amazing healers." Large energy field, this still sometimes you have huge gaps. And how we interpret that is that the GDV system that we use has a limited bandwidth. And we think that what happens is that if the energy of the healer goes too high in frequency or something like that, it goes out of the range that can be grabbed by the GDV. And what makes us say that is that we often, if the person, we wait sometime, like here we wait an hour, the energy fields not only come back together, but come back bigger than it was and more balanced than it was to start with, which is what we see here. There's no doubt that the energy field of Ron here was deeply transformed and perturbed by that. There's a huge perturbation of the energy field, and a reorganization after that will take, I know Jagadeesh said wait 24 hours. From what we see here, it's no surprise to me because it definitely takes some more time.
For the many people who have experienced his work firsthand, the powerful effects of Jagadeesh's divine blessing transmission are very real.